We are drawing elephant family. Let's draw together. First, we draw mother elephant. We are drawing face of the mother elephant. Look at the eyes. Wow, so cute eyes.
Rock-a-bye, baby.
So awesome. Now, we are drawing baby elephant. Baby elephant is just besides of her mother. So cute, baby elephant. Do you know, elephant is the biggest animal of the earth? If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's do coloring. See you in next video. Take care.